Hi friends, welcome to the course Hands-on Machine Learning with Python. Now, question comes, why machine learning? So, using machine learning, we can develop systems that can automatically adapt and customize themselves to individual users. For example, if you use any online site like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, or any other online shopping site, you will see recommended for you or recommended items for you, which is not possible from a program to write down recommended content or recommended items for each user. If you see, each of these websites have billions of users who are using their sites. So it's not possible for someone to write down a program which will generate personalized content for each user, like personalized news, recommended content, or mail filter. So in recommendation system, it's very important that we have to use some machine learning or some statistical model to recommend individual users personalized content. So this is very famous example of diaper and beer. So we need to also find out inferences of our data. Usually it's very difficult to find out inference from bare eyes, but using machine learning or statistical tools, we can discover new knowledge from large database and find out the correlations between two items or multiple items. So in this example, it was found that over the weekend, the diaper and the beer's sell goes up. When data scientists did analysis, they found that during the weekends, when the daddy goes to shopping mall to purchase diaper, he also purchases beer for his weekend. So diaper and beer both were highly correlated. So they started keeping both the things near racks, and the sales started increasing. So we can discover new knowledge from the large data sets and increase our profit, right? So all of us are aware that in older time, few years back, almost most of the things were handwritten. Even in present also, many government offices have their registers. So when they want to digitize their system, they need someone to type all the stuff, but it's very boring and repetitive. So we can use machine learning algorithms to convert handwritten documents into digital documents. That way, we can save a lot of human energy, and that energy we can use in some other productive work. In addition to that, once at the time of conversion from handwritten to digital, machine learning algorithms can also highlight typing mistakes or spelling mistakes. This way, we can also correct the documents, the digital documents. So it can save a huge amount of efforts, and that efforts can be utilized in a better way. So now you understand what all we can achieve with machine learning algorithms. Machine learning is huge, and if we master this technology, we can do a lot of things with this. Great. So now, what are the goals of data science? So the data science is, we have raw data. Someone has to capture the data and process the data. That is data engineering. Once we have the data, in data science we can visualize the data and can find out various inferences from the data. That is visualization. From that, we will also plot some graphs and see statistics, how the data is. Once we understand all these things, we have completed the data processing, we have visualized our data, and also we have find out some statistics from our data. Now, the machine learning algorithm, we will pick some machine learning algorithm and pass our data to that algorithm and train the model. So that's the goal of a machine learning or a data science project. You will capture the data, or you have the raw data, you visualize the data, you find out some inferences, you plot some graphs, you find out some analysis from graphs, you apply machine learning model based on the problem or based on the requirement, and you predict the future data. So that's the goal of data science. Turn the data into data products. Great. So what are different roles and skill sets required for data science? So in software engineer, you need to learn about MySQL, Linux, Java, or any programming languages, JavaScript, web services, PHP, CSS, HTML. For being a data scientist, you should have a great understanding of algorithms, the mathematics behind the algorithms, statistics, Python, R, Matplotlib to plot the data, and find out the evaluation matrices. To being data engineer, you should have the combination of both, as well as in addition to that, you should understand or you should have a good knowledge of Hadoop, because data is huge. So you definitely need some distributed data processing. So you should have a good knowledge of Hadoop. Also, you should have a good knowledge of data warehousing so that you can analyze and do analytical solutions quickly. Also, you should have a good knowledge of ETL, extract and transform. You should also have good hands-on on different databases, also Unix system, and you should know about the algorithms as well, because it's also part of data engineer. So these are the broad three categories which has different roles and require different skill sets. Thank you. See you in next session.